Now, Juakali artisans and individuals skilled in various trades who did not go through formal education will be assessed and issued with academic certificates if a bill currently before the National Assembly is enacted into law. The Technical and Vocational Education and Training, that is TVET Amendment Bill 2023, and the Industrial Training Amendment Bill 2023, sponsored by Kisumu Central MP Joshua Odongo, seeks to address certification challenges faced by skilled Kenyans by introducing an assessment system based on job competency.
Certifications based on formal education have for long been determinants of competence, with many who did not attend formal schooling unable to access formal employment. The Technical and Vocational Education and Training Amendment Bill 2023 is seeking to correct this by introducing a new era of certification in Kenya's education system.
The bill therefore seeks to provide an avenue through which a person who acquires knowledge and skills through learning methods outside the academic environment, and the word outside academic environment, can apply recognition of those skills of theirs.
He says the bill seeks to empower talented and skilled artisans in the Juakali sector that have long been deprived of formal recognition based on their practical skills and experience.
For how long will this person be required to be assessed for them to be given a certificate? I think that needs to come out clearly.
The question about how long are they going to be in class does not apply. We know the grade test, 1, 2, 3. This person will be assessed in their work environment, doing what they do best.
If enacted, individuals with skills and experience in various trades will be assessed based on their practical capabilities.
That allow this person to be employed in the army, if the army people are looking for mechanics or plumbers or any artisan.
Any legislation, therefore, that seeks to establish a platform within which these individuals can be recognized, given accreditation, given certification, for them to be able to secure more opportunities, I think that will be a welcome legislation.
Trevor Ngindo for Easy Friday.